In this video, I'll show you how to change your payment method in Claude AI. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude website. Once the site opens, sign in using your usual method. After logging in, go to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon or name. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Billing section. If you don't see it right away, check the tabs or menu options. It may be located on the side or top. Here, you'll see your current payment details. Click on the Update button next to your payment method. Now enter your new card information, including the card number, expiry date, security code, and billing address. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any errors. Once everything is filled in, click Subscribe or Save to apply the changes. Wait a few seconds for confirmation. After that, your new payment method will be updated and displayed. That's it. Your payment method in Claude AI has been successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.